Hey Matt, everyone says do your own research. What does that actually mean?
With fundamental research, you're researching the company itself and trying to determine how that company makes money and trying to make an estimate of what that company might earn in 5 or 10 years and then trying to figure out what to pay for it. There's really two ways to analyze a stock broadly. There's fundamental analysis and there's technical analysis. So some people will do their research based on technical analysis, which is looking at price patterns and price charts. I don't have too much to say about that because I really don't do technical research. I do completely 100% fundamental research. The quantitative things would be like analyzing the financial statements, seeing how much debt the company is carrying, seeing how much the company has historically earned relative to sales, relative to invested capital. You'd compare these things against competitors in the same industry. And then the qualitative side, which arguably is much more important, you're really trying to see if the company has competitive advantages. You're trying to put yourself in the mindset of a customer, suppliers, and you want to pay a lot of attention to the quality of management. But these are qualitative questions. So there's both a quantitative component and a qualitative component. Where that all comes together is in the valuation. You have to make some estimate of what that company would be worth if a knowledgeable buyer were looking at it. So this is where all this research comes in, and it comes together in really not just a single estimate, but usually a range of estimated values. And then hopefully you want to buy the stock when it is selling at a discount to those values.